We're here at the LSU Hill Farm with graduate student Max McCowan, who is a graduate student working at the Hammond Research Station, and he's doing some research on ornamental ground covers, and today he's going to talk to us about, what is this, Max?
So this is a standing leaf fig. It's a relatively new plant to the nursery trade. It wasn't discovered until the late 1990s. So it's called a standing leaf fig because each leaf does feel like sandpaper. So it's a great ground cover for Louisiana landscapes because it only gets about 6 inches tall. It does not need mowing at all, and it does not climb trees like Asian jasmine or creeping fig, which are two other popular ground covers for Louisiana landscapes. It can grow in either full sun or shade, so it's very adaptable. It's also extremely drought tolerant once established, and it has no disease or pest issues whatsoever.
That's excellent. And can you find these here in local nurseries or?
So you can find them in local nurseries. They may be a little bit harder to find, but if you see one in your neighbor's yard or something, they're very easily propagated. So it is easily propagated, about a 2 to 3 inch cutting like this. Stick it in some soil and it'll be rooted in about a week. It does have some winter dieback, but it always comes roaring back in the spring. It's very easily managed. So again, I mentioned it does not need mowing, but it does need to be edged about maybe twice a year.
Yeah, some people do get concerned about some ground covers being very aggressive and taking over large areas, but this is pretty well managed and easily maintained, right?
Yes, and I've shown with my research about one gallon plant can cover about a 3-foot square area, so you can cover a lot of ground with just a few plants.
That's excellent. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with Max McCowan for the LSU AgCenter.